Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, a place where you can find unboxing, haul, product review, home decor and more. In this video today, you are going to be able to enjoy my Chanel brush unboxing. So this is my first ever Chanel accessory, and you guys are gonna see it with me right now what I picked at the boutique in New York. First of all, I'm gonna let you know why I choose a Chanel brush. I was looking at earrings. I really went for a simple, a small CC logo earrings, and they was pricey, but some of them was very cute. But then I couldn't have both the earrings and the brush, so I decided to go for the brush because I feel I can give it more use. I can stylish more, especially now in the fall and winter. So later on, I guess that will be in my wish list, a simple style Chanel CC logo earrings. So I'm just gonna start showing you guys right here how pretty these bags look with a beautiful camellia with a beautiful camellia flower. So pretty. This is the way the package, and I'm gonna unwrap it now so you guys can see. So I'm gonna see. So here we go. This is, I'm trying to loosen a little bit. Let me get close. So you guys can see is the Burberry pouch with the Chanel logo right there. Open it like this. And this is the beautiful brush that I picked right here. Let me So this is a gold, pearly white, black and crystal stone brush. This is how it look. I think it's very chic, very classic, very nice. So for the price and compared with the others that they have over there, I think this one was a good pick. It can go with everything. I feel like it just because the different variety of colors and pearls, stone, crystal and all in one can go with anything. They have a much better and much beautiful ones there, but the price was crazy out of my budget, so I picked this one. It's pretty good size. I'm gonna show you to see, you guys can see over here. Let me see, you guys can see right here. Let me right there it had the CC logo right here, and it's pretty nice way to close it. It seems like you just, oh, it have the CC logo right there too. Let me, right here have the CC logo. So you just put it in, let me see, put it in and it clip in the inside, so it's pretty sure it's super hard for that to get out and fall, so you won't be able to lose that because it's a pretty secure way to get in there. Over here it says Chanel right there, and it's a number, I guess made in France. It say made in France, it says Chanel, and it's a little number. I guess that's what it make it authentic. And you can see right here, I just love it. If you put it right here right now, it made it very stylish. If you put it right here, this can bring any simple casual outfit to the next level. I just love it. You can see. I don't know, I just kind of like going a little bit crazy here to see. So yes, this is what I picked. Compare, I'm gonna put it, I don't know, to say you can kind of like go by something this size. And I think you can use any earrings, can be like a sparkly earring, can be pearls. I guess if you have a pair of pearls earring, beautiful, you can pair with this because this one have pearls too. See, that's right, I think it's gonna work perfect. So I just hope that everything has stayed and nothing fall, because it's very popular for this kind of accessory, loose stone or pearls or something like that. So hopefully this one worked perfect. So let me know guys down below in this video if you like unboxing videos like this. So I just love it. Yeah, on the top right here and the bottom they had a CC logo. Seems like a very nice piece. So yep. So pretty. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know if you have any question regarding to this purchase or this unboxing. What you think, and let me know if you have any of these, if you would like to in the future have one of these. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for those new subscribers. I really appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful, and see you soon. Bye.